there.
Okay.
Oh gosh.
Let's change it out.
Oh gosh.
Let's change out your bobber. Your bobber might be too big. Okay. Here,
Come on. Yeah.
we're gonna switch you out for the little one. We'll use the tiny one.
Yeah.
No, don't touch.
Is that small?
It's a worm. Okay, let go. Here, Alex.
Oh god. Big bite.
Big bite.
Yeah, I got a big bite.
Come here, Alex. No, don't touch the worms.
Okay, I'm going up and down, up and down. Whoa.
Okay.
I will open it.
No, we don't touch the worms. You could play with the fake one. Want the fake one? Fake one. Come here, Ella, look. Here, you're getting fishy. Look it. You're gonna get fishy. Oh, you broke it? That's okay.
Yeah. Can I touch it, Daddy?
Come here, Ella, look. I'll take it. Thank you. My fishing pole? Yeah.
You got it?
Oh man, they keep. Oh,
I heard the tickling.
you felt the pull.
Yeah.
It tugged on you.
Hold on.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You can hold on to them. It's okay.
Okay.
I'll grab them from you.
These are, where'd you get these at?
I think at Walmart.
Come on, I gotta get this guy.
Yeah, really handy.
Big bite.
Yeah. Trying to grab your worm. Nice and slow, Riley. Oh, you got one. Reel. You got fishy. Reel. Hurry.
Really?
No, let him do it. Reel.
Pull it in.
Reel. Aiden, move your hand. Let him do it.
Okay, let's go.
No, he still got it. Whoa.
Oh gosh.
Keep reeling. Reel right there. Reel. Move, Aiden. Let go. Let him do it.
No.
Okay, I'll do it. Fine.
No.
Look. That's your fishy. Look it. Wow, good job.
Yeah.
Woohoo! That's a big one. They swallowed the hook.
Two, big one.
They swallowed the hook. Good job, Rylan.
Look at Tommy sharp teeth.
Uh-huh. Oh my goodness, how am I going to get that hook out? Sheesh. Okay. Here, you want to hold it?
Yeah.
Here, let brother hold it. You already hold. You focus on your pole. Go see if you have a fishy. Okay, you want to go put them in the bucket? Okay, let's go put them in the bucket for them. Right here.
Oh, you caught your fish? Did you take a picture of it?
Yeah. Put them in the bucket.
Yeah, I was like, don't get
Right there.
I'm getting it.
Yay, good
You
job.
want to wipe your hands? Here.
Thank you.
You gonna catch some
Alright.
more?
See ya.
Oh, that beautiful eyelash.
Here you
Oh,
go.
boys, that
Thank you.
beautiful eyelash.
The big one.
You got
Yeah.
a big one, yeah. Go catch me another one.
Another?
Yeah, let's catch another one.
We should get those two
Huh?
and put them to them. We should give them to
Yeah,
them.
we can give it to them.
But we already
It's okay. Good job.
Oh God.
Yeah. Is he already? I just threw it in.
Yeah. Mine is really big too.
Yes.
I feel like there's a crowd here. Crowd is fishing a little bit.
Okay. Oh, look at the turtle. Over there on the right.
Oh,
Right
here,
there.
by me.
Big turtle.
Oh yeah. I saw that.
Yeah, that's turtle too.
Yeah.
That's what Granny used to eat in the old days.
Uh-huh.
What's that?
Oh.
He saw you and took off.
Uh-huh. Swam away.
So my dad has a fishing game on.
A fishing game.
Yeah, because
I have one on my computer.
Yeah.
one in our TV.
You got the one that you cast out?
Uh-huh. Fishing Planet. Oh, I didn't think you get a bite. Rylan, where's your pole? I think you might get a bite too.
Green
Let's see.
one.
Oh, yours is the green one.
Look, there's
Oh, there's a turtle. Sees you. Right there.
Oh, got it.
Yeah.
I got another worm.
Yeah, you got another worm.
What?
And you hold on to it. Don't reel it yet. Actually, let's do this. This way you can reel it, and it won't go nowhere.
It just swam right there. It swam like that way.
Swim that way. You let me know when you're thirsty. Oh, 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 oh. Wait.
That's a good spot. That's a good spot. That's a good spot.
Yeah, I guess so, huh?
That's a good spot. Oh gosh.
Real.
Got it. Got it.
Oh, he popped off. Try to cast right there again. Let me see your worm. Let's see if I can fix it.
It's a bit on.
Reel it up a little bit. Oh my goodness, they tore it off.
They tore it all the way off?
They tore it all the way off. Oh
Maybe
my
that
goodness.
is a, that maybe it's like a,
That's a good spot, I guess, huh? Oh, Alan, you got a fish. Reel your pole in. You got fishy.
You got a fish!
Reel. Ready, set, go. Go.
And go.
Ah, he popped off.
No.
He popped off. Oh, it's okay.
I got it.
Almost.
You got it, Rylan.
Don't move. Leave it there. Count to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Are you stuck, Aiden? You got it? Okay, good.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yay! Got it.
That's okay.
Mom.
He's pretending. Here, hold it. I'm gonna fix it. Don't move it. Stay still.
Water. How much do you need?
You thirsty? Yeah. Take a drink.
Oh God!
Got one? Oh, you pulled it too fast. Took your worm again. Hayden, your bobber. Yay! Keep reeling. Woohoo! Keep reeling. Oh, that's a good one.
That's like my brother's.
Yeah.
On the orange tummy.
Wow.
Yeah.
Woo. Look at that one. This one swallowed it too, I think.
Yeah, I did.
Let's see if Daddy can get it. Okay, let's go this way.
It swallowed like my brother.
Mm-hmm.
I think this is a swallowing fish. It swallowed rounds and mines.
Mm-hmm.
I think this is the same one.
Yeah, it's a bluegill.
Bluegill.
I'm gonna put it in their bucket.
Yeah. Oh God! Oh, it's
Oh,
alive! It's alive!
It's still kicking. You're welcome.
It's alive.
Yeah.
We had dinner tonight and yesterday. I mean tomorrow.
Good job.
3 in a row for me.
Yeah, man, you're almost at 5, huh?
And almost to my old 7.
Yeah. Did you catch 7 today?
Maybe. That was like friends.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Got you. You thought you killed it and then it was, and I watched it was touching it. Look, feel this worm. Feel this worm.
Yeah, it's hard. Big fishy over there. Woohoo! Okay, Aiden. Bye-bye, fishy.
I guess I was right.
Grab the pole.
I
Rylan.
guess I was right.
Rylan. Alright, guys. Take care. You're welcome.
We have more dinner.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
I got a box of
What's your poles? Come on.